You know the chocolate chip cookie. One of the world's favorite treats. But here's the twist. It was never supposed to happen. This is the sweet, accidental story of how a simple mistake made dessert history. Let's go back to the 1930s. In a small inn in Massachusetts, the Toll House Inn, a woman named Ruth Wakefield was baking cookies for her guests. She added chunks of chocolate into the dough, expecting them to melt and blend in. But they didn't. Instead, the pieces held their shape, turning into little bursts of gooey chocolate. And just like that, boom, a brand new cookie was born. Ruth called it the Toll House Chocolate Crunch Cookie. And people loved it. The cookie's popularity spread fast. Ruth shared her recipe in cookbooks and newspapers. And during the Great Depression, home bakers across America embraced it. It was simple, affordable, and comforting. The perfect homemade treat. And soon, this cookie wasn't just a recipe. It was a movement. And that movement was about to go big. Enter Nestlé, the chocolate company. They saw how popular the cookie had become and struck a deal with Ruth. Her recipe would go on their packaging. And in return, she'd get a lifetime supply of chocolate. Win-win, right? Nestlé also started producing chocolate chips, which, believe it or not, didn't exist before that. So now, instead of chopping up chocolate bars, you could just open a bag and pour. Eventually, the name, Toll House, sparked a trademark battle. But by then, the cookie was unstoppable. Today, you'll find chocolate chip cookies everywhere. In cafes, grocery stores, lunchboxes, and ovens at home. Soft and chewy, or crispy and golden. Everyone has their favorite kind. But no matter how it's made, it all goes back to that one little accident. In one little inn, by one brilliant woman. Sometimes, the best things in life come from a happy mistake. This has been Snackchive, where curiosity meets cookies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay delicious.